Welcome, scholars, to the wonderful world of weight. Today we are going to be weighing or looking at items that are being weighed in grams and kilograms. So before we get started, there's something that you do need to understand, is that a kilo means 1,000. Remember that there are 1,000 meters in a kilometer. There are 1,000 grams in a kilogram. Okay, if you're thinking about a gram, think about having 2 paper clips in your hand. Can you imagine that? That's very light. Now, if you had a kilogram, it would be 1,000 times that. Or if you've ever seen a big double D or just a regular D battery, if you have 8 of those, that is a kilogram. Okay, now I wanted to go over one thing that's a little bit tricky in the slideshow today and in the homework, and that is reading scales using grams and kilograms. So I'm going to just kind of zoom in on this. Let's get this tripod set up correctly. I don't want to zoom in that far. I want to make sure you can see it. There we go. Okay, so in the slideshow and the homework today, you're going to see scales that look like this. They're going to have some sort of fruit up here or item like a shoe or something, and then it's going to have a scale that looks like this. Okay, so this is 0, but when it goes all the way around, that means 2 kilograms. Okay, and what's tricky about it is the way that it's split up. So we have 0 kilograms, 0 grams. Then we have 500 grams, 1 kilogram, which is really 1,000 grams. 1.5 kilograms, which is 1,500 grams. And then 2 kilograms, which is 2,000 grams. Now the tricky part is that sometimes we have an arrow that points like this. So let's say there was like a watermelon or something up here, and it says, how many kilograms, how many grams in this item? Well, as you see, between 0 and 500, 500 and 1,000, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tick marks. Clearly mine is not perfect. This tick mark is way too big, but I did my best job. I tried my best, so we're just going to pretend that they're even. If this arrow is pointing to this one here, what would we say? Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tick marks between 1,000 and 500. So the difference between 1,000 and 500 is 500. So if we have 5 tick marks for 500 grams, that means that every tick mark would equal 100. So if our arrow is pointing to this tick mark, then we know that our weight is 500, 600, 700, 800 grams. So we're not quite at any kilograms. 800 grams. Okay, you see that? Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to have you try one on your own. Let's say I have my computer up here, and it's a really old computer, so it's kind of heavy. And when I put it on the scale, it points to there. Okay, so let's actually do this one together before I set you off. So here we have, okay, 0, 500 grams, 1 kilogram, which is 1,000 grams, 1.5 kilograms, which is 1,500 kilograms, and then we know that each tick mark is 100. I'm going to put 1,500 grams here, just so we don't forget. So if we have 1,500, 1,600, 1,700 grams, right? And then we can easily convert that into kilograms and grams. We would have 1 kilogram, 700 grams. Okay. Let's try one on your own. Let's say I put a bowling ball up here. Woo! bowling ball. Let's see. And my arrow goes right there. Okay, go ahead, pause your device, and try to figure it out. All right, welcome back, scholars. We're going over our answer now. So here we have 0, 500, 1,000, 1,500, 1,600, 1,700, 1,800 grams that we can easily convert into 1 kilogram, 800 grams. Now be careful, scholars. You need to look at every single scale that you see on your homework and in your slideshow today, because it doesn't always look like this, right? What if it started like this? 1 kilogram, 2 kilogram, 3 kilogram, 4 kilogram. Okay? That means that you have to divide 1,000 by 5. Okay? That means that every tick mark would be 200 now. So if I had something that weighed that much, it would be 1 kilogram, 1,000, 1,200, 1,400, or 1.4 kilograms. Okay, so you need to make sure that you're paying attention to what the units are and how they are spaced out. Good luck on today's homework, my friends, and have a great day.